everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr, and I hope you're all doing amazing. So happy almost Tuesday to you guys. It's late Monday night, and I thought I would get on here and show you what I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I got it in the mail today, and I just haven't opened it yet, so I want to go ahead and open it with you guys and see what I got. So yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well and have had a good Monday. I spent some time outside today. That was really nice. And yeah, so it was really nice. I mean, we just outside my front door, like we were with my family, but it was so nice being outside and you know, so anyways, all right, let's go ahead and see what I got from Miss Ipsy bag. Okay. All right, so go ahead and open it up. Wow, it's like chock full of stuff. Okay, it's like, oops, that's a cute bag too. Really cute bag. Let me go ahead and show you that. It's really cute. That's different. It's like purple, and it's got like a wood little pull the chain there. It says Ipsy on it. That's really cute. It's a really cute bag. Really cute bag. Okay. Let's see what's inside. And actually, I think the cheat sheet's in there. No, it's in here. Okay. So here's my little, and for those who are new to Ipsy, I should have double checked, but it used to be $10 and it's gone up in price, I believe. I think it's now like 12-ish plus shipping. I'm not sure. I should check, make sure I think it's $12. Around 12. I can't, don't quote me guys. I don't know exactly the amount, but it's under 15, I think. So anyways, all right. So, all right. So the first thing I got was, what is this? So here it is. Sorry. There it is. It is let me open this up. It's my cheat sheet here and see what it is. So Ipsy. If I can even open this, I can't even like open it. Here we go. Oh, it's okay. It's rose hip oil. So it's moisturizing. So it's for your face. Yeah, so it's for your face. So it's like an oil for your face. And I love that it says it's not tested on animals. I love that. Here's everything that's got inside. I'm talking about the benefits of it. So let's see. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's okay. Why does it make it sound like it's like an all over face thing? No, it's a lipstick. It's a lipstick. That's pretty. It's like a lip gloss. Is this the right? What? No. This is not it. This is something else. This is totally something else. That is not what I'm looking for. What? That doesn't match. Yeah, that is not it. Sorry, guys. What this is it is a vegan lip gel. Okay, so it's a lip gloss. Vegan lip gloss. And I'll go ahead and try it on for you guys. It looks really pretty. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit closer up so you can see. And this is made by, again, Berry Plus Juice. There's the brand. Okay, so I'm going to try it on. I don't know if it shows right there, the label too. Okay, so I'll try it on and see what I think. I mean, I can't really tell what it looks like on. It definitely has like a flavor to it. Let me check it out here in the mirror. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It has with blackberry and raspberry extracts. Yeah, I can taste that. Hyperallergenic. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I love lip gloss. So, you know, my favorite lip glosses right now, though, guys, you know, as I've been mentioning, is my Kat Von D Beauty and my Morphe lip gloss. So this is going to be like not the thing that I'll most grab for, but you know, I can throw it in my purse and it might look really pretty without, because it's hard to see like over my lipstick, you know, that I already have. Okay. Then here's the rest in here, guys. There's the rest. Let's see what we have. We have baked, more highlighter. So this is Do Me. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is a funny way to put that. Baked highlight powder. There it is, the name. And that's pretty funny. Okay, so it's a highlighter powder. Baked highlight powder. Okay, let's see. Oh, that looks really pretty, you guys. That looks actually really pretty. No kidding, it's called Do Me. So bad. That is so bad. Okay. And I'm not gonna touch it, guys, because you know my hands have touched the mail, and you know, for that reason I don't want to like contaminate this with my hands, because I've just touched what, you know, it's been circulating in the mail. So, but that looks really, really pretty. It's got like a gold to it, like a gold. Looks really pretty, actually. So I think I'm gonna really really like that. The name is funny, is really funny. Okay, then I got a loose setting powder. They always send me like the same stuff almost all the time, but like different brands. Okay, loose setting powder. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to keep my Ipsy subscription, you guys. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because I feel like I have so much of the same stuff coming in. Like I already have this in Bare Minerals, and like I get it. Like there's only so much things that they can keep resending, but I just don't know if I want to try a different subscription box, like Sephora or something. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, because I feel like if I stop Ipsy, then I'm gonna be regretting it. So I don't know. Okay, this is what is this? What are you? It's a cute little jar. It's like a glass jar, I think. Yeah, I think it's glass. Glossier. This looks like it says it's in French. Okay. Priming moisturizer, rich, luxurious face cream. That's cool. So this was worth it then, you know? Yeah, I like that. And look, it's sealed. I can always use face moisturizer, so yeah, I like that. I'm glad I got that. That's pretty neat. Again, that's by Glossier, it looks like. Let me go ahead and go in closer so you can see the brand. Glossier. Then the last thing they sent me was, okay, I have no idea what this is. It is Real Vita C Serum, helps brighten, revitalize, and hydrate skin. So it's some type of serum. Suggested usage, apply in appropriate amount after cleansing and toning skin. If used before sun exposure, apply sunscreen on top. So it's like a serum. So yeah. So yeah, that is, you know, looks like that's it for my Ipsy. They usually send 5 things. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 5 things. And so yeah, but they have like a cheat sheet, so you know exactly what you're getting in there, but they didn't include that this time. So I don't know why that is. I don't even know what this is for. I don't know. Anyway, this is the April Ipsy bag. I didn't mention that too either. This is the April Ipsy bag. What do you guys think? Are you impressed by what I got? I don't know. Like I said, I like this here, and then I'm not going to keep repeating the word what it's called. And then I like the moisturizer, I think. The rest of the stuff is like, you know, it's like not my fave, but the bag's cute. I'll give it to probably one of my daughters, because like I said, I have so many Ipsy bags, guys. I've had Ipsy subscription for over 2 years now. So I'm like, you know, really got a lot of Ipsy bags. So, but anyways, guys, yeah, so I just wanted to hop on here and show you what I got from Ipsy. And like I said, I'm really thinking about trying out the Sephora Play subscription. And also, FabFitFun. I really want to try that out because that's the only subscription. This is the only subscription service I have is the Ipsy. So maybe I'll try out something else, you know, thinking about it. I tried to get the Target Beauty Box today and it's sold out. So couldn't get that. But yeah, anyways, guys, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're doing well. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and the gray bell button too, if you'd like. I would love it. So, but yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and spending your time watching this video. And I hope it didn't bore you too much. It was a little underwhelming, this bag. Did I rate it? I always rate my bags. I would give this a 5. I would give this bag a 5. Don't really love the lip gloss at all. And I'm bummed by that because you guys know, like, I live for lip gloss. Like, live for lip gloss. So, like, I don't have it, my drawers on this side, but I have I have about probably 40 lip glosses, you guys. I'm a lip gloss girl. So, and this one is just not my favorite. So, all right, guys, so that is it. So yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow with my next haul. So till next time, everybody, take care. God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow with my next haul. All right, guys, bye now.